Hey honey, do you know what a parking OCD is? Like another car guy thing to do besides parking for?
No honey, what?
You do this. You park your car for,
Okay.
then you keep looking back at your car because you like how your car looks.
Yeah.
So you look back at it several times. People do that.
Oh really?
Yeah, I do that. So I'm gonna look one more time. I catch that. It's awesome when I see that. I watch people when people park far, like me. I look at them to see if they look back at their car. That's a car person right there. Car guy.
Car guy with parking OCD.
And they love their car so much they do this. They keep looking back at their car. That's when I know someone really loves their car. They park far. I always do that. When I see someone park like me, I watch them.
Yeah.
And if they look back they'll look back several times, and it's awesome. And I said that person loves their car. I don't think I talked about that on my channel yet. I probably mentioned it, but I didn't do a demo like that.
No.
I didn't elaborate on it too much, but people do that. I do that. I'm gonna look one more time. April 13, 2019 is today's date. Today's video, a review on Armor All Ultra Shine Wax Wipes. Nice car. Longevity test. Cleaned my car yesterday, so this is as nice as it's gonna look. Nice clean car on the weekend. This is a sun angle right here. I cleaned my car about 2 weeks ago. I thought I was in the clear. I thought it wasn't going to rain anymore, but then it ended up raining. Prior to 2 weeks ago, I didn't clean my car for about 3 months because it was raining every 2 or 3 days, and this car lives outside, so it wasn't worth it to clean it. It's just going to get dirty again in a couple of days. After the rain was done, I was surprised how clean this car still kind of looked like, and that's all I use is Armor All wax wipes. So the car still looked pretty good after 2-3 months of rain. So I decided to do this video. I was going to start it 2 weeks ago, but it rained again. So hopefully it doesn't rain anymore, and I could give this a good 2-3 week test of no rain, but see how the car still looks after 2-3 weeks of not cleaning it. Yeah, it's a good color. Of course, if the car is black, it's going to be dirty in like 2 or 3 days. So this is a good color. It's a good compromise for a nice shiny color that remains pretty clean. There you go. You can see the tree reflection on the hood, so it's looking good right now. Looking really good right now. So I'll check back every week until I decide to clean this car again. I was hoping for a couple of weeks without rain, and it rained last night. It might rain tonight, so I'll go ahead and show what the car looks like after rain. Still looks pretty good. May 8th. I think this is 3 weeks later, maybe 2.5. I gotta look back at my first file. Okay, here's the car after it rained. Gloomy sky. Might rain tonight. Rained yesterday. Last night. Car looks pretty good still after a couple of weeks. Still pretty shiny. It repelled, the Armor All wax wipes repelled the water pretty good. It's better than nothing. It's better than not waxing, but there you go. Still pretty shiny. You could see some water spots right there, but overall, not bad. And here's another shot right here. Still looks pretty good, even after rain and a few weeks later. The hood, right there. So, there's the car. After a couple of weeks and rain last night.